Hey guys, there are just a lot of artists around Toronto that cover the walls with their artistic touch. Here's one at the back by Jackie Comrie. As I don't have any artistic abilities, I could offer you only the exercises that you might just need. Watch the next episode on shoulder depression. See you guys. Scapular depression. Shoulder depression is a mechanism of action brought about by scapular depression. This exercise strengthens the lower trapezius, lower serratus anterior, and latissimus dorsi muscles. This exercise variation is done with your back against the wall in a standing position, with both feet shoulder width distance apart. Secure the band on a sturdy surface and observe in the video the proper band angle position. Isolate the movement by extending the elbow and bringing both the forearm and the wrist to neutral position. The starting position is a shoulder shrug. Take off unnecessary slack from the resistance band by adjusting on the spot where you are holding the band. Depress the scapula by pushing downward against the resistance. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Remember to choose the right color of the band to suit the amount of resistance needed.